Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will talk about installing a Ring doorbell. Installing a Ring doorbell is a relatively straightforward process, but it does require some basic tools and knowledge of wiring if you are installing a wired model. So here we get started. Before you begin, make sure you have the necessary tools and equipments including a screwdriver, drill, level, and any additional hardware provided with your Ring doorbell. If you are installing a wired Ring doorbell, turn off power to your existing doorbell at the breaker box to avoid electrical shock while working. Download the Ring app on a smartphone or tablet if you have not already. The app is available for iOS and Android devices as well. Open the Ring app and follow the on-screen instructions to create a Ring account. If you already have an account, sign in using your credentials. In the Ring app, tap on the Set up a device option and select doorbells from the list of available devices. The Ring app will guide you through the installation process step by step. Follow the on-screen instructions very carefully. Depending on your specific Ring doorbell model and your preferences, you can choose between a wired or wireless installations. Follow the instructions provided in the app for your chosen method. If you're installing a wired Ring doorbell, remove your existing doorbell and mounting bracket. Use the provided screws and mounting bracket to attach the Ring doorbell to your wall or door frame. If your Ring doorbell model comes with interchangeable faceplates, choose the one you prefer and snap it into the place. Once the Ring doorbell is installed and set up, you can enjoy the convenience and security it provides. And that is it. If you encounter any difficulties during the installation process, refer to the troubleshooting tips provided in the Ring app or visit the Ring website for additional support resources. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.